This coop is going to get really heavy before it becomes any more robust. So now is a good time to move it to where I'm actually going to house the chickens, at least for the time being. Our terrain here is pretty challenging, and so what I'm doing is laying out long 2x4s, which I'm going to need anyway, and using them as skids to slide the coop forward. And that is making life much easier as I, 5'3" Erica, move this structure. So here's a demonstration of what this looks like with the skids. It's messy, but it is helpful.
Yeah, it is.
So now that I've left a board behind, I pick it up. Slide it under to take over for the next board. Sometimes you have to step on them, or they want to move around a little too much. The idea is that you want at least 2 skids under at all times. Sometimes it gets a little funky, but you just do the best you can and move it along. And then sometimes you have to pick it up from the back, get it over the lip. But because it's on skids in the front, it's actually pretty easy to just lift up in the back and then push, and it moves. Just like that. And there she rests. So now I'm going to continue construction. And ultimately, this is going to be portable, and I'll probably make a future video about how I'm going to use wheels and leverage to make that happen. But for now, this is a decent spot for a chicken coop. It is underneath a tree, which will provide them some nice shade. It's got lots of poison oak around, which I'm really hoping that they can help me with, since my goats appear to be picky eaters and inexplicably do not like poison oak. Figures. But at any rate, now it's time to continue construction.